guys, welcome back. In today's video we are going to be tackling these little rusty little rear wings. Both sides about the same. I can't show you the other one because it's down on the floor, but shouldn't be that long of a video, I don't think, a couple minutes, but yeah, let's tackle these and get these in. Hopefully they turn out good. Alrighty guys, got panel number 1 in. Turned out pretty decent. Got this profile good. I'm hoping I left enough there to bite on for the floor. If not, I'll make an extra long panel. But I don't think that thing pokes out. I think it was even with this. But yeah, it turned out real well. But let's head on to the next one. Hey guys, so let me show you what I did off camera. Got all that cleaned back and under rust reformer. The rust reformer I have is just like a black spray paint that actually reforms the rust. So I'm just going to use it as a primer for now. It's not going to be the final primer because I will sand it all back and actually give it a good coat of like epoxy primer before I paint it. But got that all looking real good. Next thing on this video, I think what I'm going to do is before I put the boot floor on, is I am going to trim this out. And then just leave it off until I get the boot floor on, and then what I'll do is I'll put it back on. That way we get a nice flush cut right there, because I got this whole panel that needs to come in too. Then we're going to start on this other side over here, and I'll bring you in whenever I get that one done. But awesome. Okay, so we run into a plan B because I can't do these yet because I don't have no little cutting wheels to cut this off. So we're going to work on replacing this thing and getting this thing cleaned up, but I'll bring you back when I get something done. Alrighty guys, we got this little back rear wheel well finished. This one had a weird little indentation in it, so I kind of kept it because I had to rebuild all this. So if I end up coming up short here, I'll just have to add on some metal, but I don't think I'm going to. But yeah, that's all finished. The next thing on the list is going to be, and I'll do this off camera because you guys don't need to see this, but I'm going to clean this all back, get that cleaned up. I'm going to cut out these little corners here, and then probably next video is going to be the boot floor. That's a big day right there when we can get the boot floor in. But awesome. You have a good day. Talk to y'all later.